Push the key to on. Long press M to enter the pairing mode. At the same time, long press the doorbell button. Indoor display shows pairing checkmark. It's a successful pairing. Press intercom button to answer. Long press it, you can communicate with outsiders. Press it again to hang up. Long press intercom button for 3 seconds to wake up screen. Press M to enter the menu settings. The intercom button is also the confirm key. The M key is also the return key. The first icon is the photo album. You can see the photos. The second icon is the video. The third icon is the returns. There are 6 returns. The last icon is the settings. You can choose language, brightness. You can adjust brightness. This is version number of the doorbell. You can set the right time. Last, format. You can choose whether or not to format the memory card. Okay.